be teaching you how to do a windmill, which was previously shown. And before I show you how to do a windmill, I just want to say one thing. Okay, now that we're onto that. A windmill is basically, or not a windmill, sorry, a helicopter. A helicopter is basically moving your legs out like that, around, and it looks like a helicopter. That's why it's called a helicopter. So, you see, to start off the helicopter, you bend down onto your toes like this, and you keep your toes pointed. And put your leg out, put your left arm right there, right arm right there. You're gonna swing it back, swing it around, not too fast, but a little fast. And just keep swinging it. But then take this foot and you jump over it, but you keep sliding your right foot. So that it should look like this. And then you just keep doing that, and then to stop, you just stop doing it. But remember,